Okay, so another question that has come up in the exam is around the root user privileges. So the root user is the account owner. It's the first user that is going to be used when the account is created. And the root user has complete access to all AWS services and resources. And the idea is that the root user can do some actions that even the most privileged created user in your account cannot do. And so this is what we have to look at in this lecture. So by the way, if you're using the root user, please lock away the account because you shouldn't be using it, and as well as the access keys, secret access keys, this kind of stuff. So do not use the root account for everyday tasks, even administrative tasks. For this, create a specific admin user in your account. But some actions can only be performed by the root user, and you have to remember them, especially the one that I put in bold. So the first one is that only the root user can change the account settings, such as the account name, the email address, the root user password, and root user access keys. View certain tax invoices, close your account, so it can only be done by the root user, and that's pretty helpful, I would say. Restore IAM user permissions, change or cancel your AWS support plan, register as a seller in the reserved instance marketplace, and this one is important, so I'll give you a use case for this. For example, say you are buying a reserved instance for 3 years, okay, but after 2 years you realize you need to have it anymore. So what you can do is that there is a marketplace in which you can sell back your reserved instance. And so to do so, you need to register as a seller first, and only the root user can do it. Finally, 3 more things. To configure an Amazon S3 bucket to enable MFA, to edit or delete an S3 bucket policy that is getting an invalid VPC ID or VPC endpoint ID, to sign up for GovCloud as well, okay? So you do have to remember those, especially the one that I put in bold, because the exam may ask you which types of actions are only possible to be done by the root user, and you have to know. Okay, that's it. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.